here now on a job. Looks like a broken spring. You can see the cable. It's probably got only one spring on it, so I'm going to try to switch it to the 2-spring setup. All right, let's check it out. Okay, I'm here at the job now. As you can see, it has a broken spring right there. They only put one big spring on here. We're going to switch it for the 2-spring setup. And I'm about to start the spring change. Here's all the tools that I'll need: my impact, winding rods, ratchet, vice grip, and my 9/16 bolt, my gloves. So I'll get started and we'll see how long it takes. Just writing up the receipt for the job. All done.
Are you kidding me?
No.
Oh, listen.